Hi guys, I'm Sarah Bailey, the greenhouse manager and naturalist educator at Prairie Plains Resource Institute out of Aurora, Nebraska. I grew up in Nebraska and really spent a lot of time outdoors and really enjoyed learning about science and how the world works. When I was 19, I actually went to a prairie outside of Lincoln called Spring Creek Prairie, and I started learning a lot about prairies. I was really fascinated with the plants and the animals out there. I found out they're home to hundreds of plant species and animal species and fungi, and a really interesting and cool place to visit. So I spent a lot of time observing and photographing and learning more about the prairie while I was out there. It really helped me sharpen my naturalist skills. A naturalist is somebody who studies nature and all the plants and animals out there and observes their interactions and how they relate to their environment. So I spend a lot of time harvesting seeds in the field during the summer and fall. And so we're able to harvest seed from about 200 plus different species of plants throughout that time. And so at Prairie Plains, we specialize in high diversity prairie restoration, which means we try to closely mimic what's happening in a native prairie or wetland setting. This is a lead plant right here, and the seeds are coming ready just about now. And so we'll harvest a bunch of this to go into our prairie restoration mixes. Prairies are also known as grasslands, and grassland means that they're dominated by grasses, but prairies aren't just grasses. You'll notice a lot of different wildflowers around, like our state flower, the goldenrod over here. So in my field of work, I am driven by the need to protect existing prairie habitat and find ways to recreate habitat that functions like a prairie. I want to reverse the negative impacts of that habitat loss and restore the health of our Nebraska ecosystems.